What's up, everybody? Today we got this brand new M5 and for a full stealth wrap. Frozen blue. It's got a lot of carbon. I like that. So this car was purchased about an hour away from us. So we've actually had it flatbedded for the client here, just to ensure that we don't get any damage from driving on the roads before we install the paint protection. Thank you, boss. A fancy key. M, yeah. German. Wow. Yeah. All right. Inspection time. What the f is this? Bird Oh, I got shook. Here I'm wiping the hood down with some alcohol. I've diluted in some water so it's not full strength. The reason I'm doing this is to get any kind of waxes and dirt off the surface. Also, I'm feeling for any kind of imperfections that I might have to clay bar later. Seeing that this is a flat paint, I don't want to clay bar too hard because it might actually ruin the finish. So I'm looking for very specific areas that I might have to clay bar lightly and get a nice clean install. What this is. Hold on, let me. Oh, sorry, bud. Spray yourself. Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay, go over, let the roll on top. Put the roll on top, there you go. Beauty. All right. Cue the montage.
Okay, so Han
Yes.
from the Fast and Furious.
Right?
There was a moment there to make something great.
There was, like, seriously.
Okay.
So, like, the guy's name's Han. Could have very easily made a Honda reference there, but they gave him a Mazda.
How does that make you feel?
This ain't right.
Force Don't drop that dun-da-da. Arms are burning. Arms are burning. Arms are burning. Oh.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
What's up, guys? This is the final product. Here we have a finished car, fully wrapped, satin on all the painted surfaces and ultimate on all of the gloss surfaces. So you can see we have some carbon here and here. We also have the roof in carbon, and both mirrors are in a gloss finish as well. So we did the ultimate plus on those pieces. And then you can see that the paint is all covered in Xpel Stealth. Now, on top of all of that, we've also done the Xpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and it is just incredibly slick. It feels amazing. The install was very straightforward. Xpel does a great job with their pre-cut kits. Painless, incredibly painless. Everything fits well. There's no odd spaces or any weird things going on. The only thing that I might add is that I do custom hoods. It's my preference to do custom install on hoods just for a perfect fit and finish. I do remove the emblem as well, so there is no seam there. The main purpose really for it is just to get as much coverage as I possibly can. So when the customer ordered this vehicle, he chose a custom color, which is Frozen Marina Bay Blue. And in my opinion, it was a bit oversaturated and lacking some depth. The beauty of this stealth wrap with the ceramic coating is that it's brought some depth to it, and the film itself kind of has a metallic kind of quality, and I feel that it's improved the overall finish of the car. I'm very impressed by the numbers of this car. It's making 617 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque, all the way down at 1800 RPM. It's fast. Almost at idle, you're already making full power, which is insane. You don't feel the weight at all. It's a heavy girl. She's 5,400 pounds wet. That's a lot, but she moves like she ain't got no weight. You couldn't tell by looking at it. Not at all.
I mean, it's a big car.
I mean, yeah, it's a good sized sedan, but 5,400 pounds. Ah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.